friends, so BAIL has issued notification for recruitment. So there are 308 posts for trainee engineer and 203 posts for project engineer. So these recruitments are without gate for freshers, without gate for freshers. So BAIL is under Ministry of Defense, and these posts are on contract basis. So the upper age limit for trainee engineers is 25 as of 1st of August 2021, and upper age limit for project engineer is 28 years. So there are 308 posts for trainee engineers, for UR 124 posts, for EWS 31, for OBC 83, for SC 47, and for ST 23 posts are there. Then for project engineer there are 203 posts. So the salary for trainee engineer for first year salary will be 25,000, then for second year the salary will be 28,000, then in the third year the salary will be 31,000, and for project engineer the salary will be 35,000 in the first year, in the second year the salary will be 40,000, in the third year the salary will be 45,000, and in the fourth year the salary will be 50,000. So project location and place of posting is Bengaluru only. So there are 203 posts for project engineer. So UR 84, EWS 21, OBC 54, SC 30 and ST 14 posts are there. Project engineers will be engaged for initial period of 2 years. Project engineers will be engaged for initial period of 2 years, so which may be extended to another 2 years. So total 4 years for project engineers. And for trainee engineers will be engaged for 1 year, which can be extended to 2 years more. So total 3 years. So this is for contract basis. So this is for BE BTech is required in electronics, mechanical and electrical branches. So electronics, mechanical and electrical engineers can apply, and the selection will be based on interview. So the last date to apply is 15th of August 2021, and the fees for general EWS and OBC category is 500 rupees for project engineer, and for trainee engineer the fees for general EWS and OBC is 200 rupees, and SC, ST, PWD can apply for free. So there is no application fees for SC, ST and PWD. So this is a very good post. So please, those who are freshers can apply, and they are not requiring gate scorecard also. So this is a very good notification. 308 project engineers and 308 training engineers and 203 project engineers. So last date is 15th of August 2021 to apply. So apply for this post. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel to get such latest job notifications.